The interior design concept for this project is the arena, where lighting serves as a contemporary homage to a traditional imagination of space. In the auditorium, light strips are masterfully embedded within the arched grills through an innovative magnet system, overcoming installation challenges in confined spaces and allowing light to spill from the stacked layers of arches. Unlike conventional designs that maintain a distinct boundary between stage and house, the arch lighting is programmed to synchronize with the active performance, expanding the stage to encompass the entire auditorium. The lighting orchestrates a harmonious fusion of sound, space, art, and experience. The lighting kindles the audience's emotions, encouraging them to imagine, explore, and interact within the space like the performers themselves.